outside right now. Okay, so I have some vinegar, and I have watermelon. Okay, so I'm gonna see another experiment. No. Okay, so I just have some in a bottle. Ethan, bring me the lemon juice from in the fridge. What? The lemon juice. Hurry up. Never mind. You already missed it. Never mind. That was cool.
What?
Nothing.
Could you do that?
No, you can't. Now put it away. I don't even know why I told you.
What? Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, that ended well. Ow. I guess instead I just showed you guys how to make a bomb. The point of that was it was supposed to fizz and like a chemical reaction kind of and come out of the bottle as like foam or something. But instead it kind of just popped and hurt me. Ouch. Just make sure when you do this you wear goggles. Okay, thanks. Bye.